orílẹ̀-èdè South Africa láwa yìí níbi táwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti ṣe ìwọ́de lọ sí ọ́fíìsì High Commission British tó wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè wọn láti fi ẹ̀hónú wọn hàn pé àwọn ṣetán láti gba orílẹ̀-èdè tàwọn tí a mọ̀ sí Oòduà Nation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ẹ̀yà Biafra náà fi àtìlẹ́yìn wọn hàn sí ìwọ́de yìí. Kódà aṣojú wọn ní orílẹ̀-èdè South Africa wọn náà sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí ó sọ.
My name remains Isu Ogechukwu, the coordinator of Indigenous People of Biafra, South Africa. We are here to come and in solidarity with our Oduduwa counterparts. This is not the first time we are doing something like this. We've been trying to make the South African authorities understand what we are going through. Let me just borrow a leaf from what the previous speaker said. Nigeria was created for exploitation purpose by the Britain. Yes. You know, I don't like hiding words.
Don't do this.
It was created without the consultation of the indigenous people. Oh yes. All of a sudden, you just wake up one morning, you tell the South and the North Protectorate, now you join together, your name is Nigeria. And Nigeria has no meaning. The meaning of Nigeria is nigger area. If you call somebody a nigger in US, you go to prison. People bear the name Nigeria out of ignorance.
Speak authority.
People bear the name Nigeria, they accept the identity out of ignorance. So what we are trying to say is that Britain, the experiment you made in 1914, good enough that you say that is a 100 years experiment, which officially expired in 2014. Yes. In other words, Nigeria as a nation has expired since 2014.
Yes, sir.
You cannot hold people against their will. You cannot hold people against their will. Okay, Nigeria was created in 1914. My grandfather was born in 1902. In other words, my grandfather was not a Nigerian. Who was my grandfather before the British came? Does it mean that my grandfather did not have an identity? It's very ridiculous. So what we are saying here precisely, we have resolved that it's either we get our independence or we die getting our independence. It is not negotiable. No. What we come here to do is to put it on record so that when it will be happening at home, you will say that a time like this, people like this came and reported so incident. Yeah. In Nigeria, we, the indigenous people of Biafra, are called terrorists. Terrorists without guns. Terrorists without even jackknife. But you keep on arming the Fulani henchmen who are carrying AK-47, killing the indigenous people on daily basis. You don't want to report it. You never tag them terrorists. But you say that we are terrorists. Well, we are privileged to be in South Africa where people, men of valor, stood on their voice to say enough is enough. That is why we are here in South Africa today, because men stood and said no to apartheid regime. That is exactly what we are doing today. Yes. I am very, very happy that our Oduduwa brothers, they have also reasoned with us to see the reason why the name Nigeria ceased to exist. All this I have to say. I don't have much to say. We must continue until we get to our destination. Yes.